Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we had started division chapter. I explained with an example also. I hope all of you understood. So, children, let's recall everything again. Division means equal sharing. Whenever we divide any number among people, among children equally, then in that case, we do the division. Okay. The symbol this stands for division sign. Suppose we have taken a question that 12 divided by 4. So in this sum, 12 divided by 4, we get answer 3. 4 3s are 12. No. So this number which is being divided, this is called the dividend. So in this case, 12 is the dividend. The number by which we are dividing is called case divisor. So here 4 is the divisor and the answer is called the quotient. So here 3 is the quotient. Thus, in a division sum, the number to be divided is called the dividend. Number by which we divide is called the divisor. Answer obtained on division is called the quotient. Start exercise 6.1. We had done last video 2 questions. No. Now we will start F number question. So divide and find the quotient and the remainder. Divide and check your answer also. So let's take question number F. Here you have to divide 99 by 8. Okay. So write with the symbol division sign 99 divided by 8. Now arrange these numbers within the symbol. So write the dividend inside this sign and the divisor outside. So 8 here and 99 here. Now children, you will read the table of this 8. So better that you write the table of 8 in the rough copy. See, I have written. So you read the table. Now children, you have to divide 8 and this 9. So you have to read the table of 8 and you have to divide this 9. As 9 is more than 8, so you can divide. Okay. This number always should be greater than the divisor. So here 9 is more than 8, so you can do the division. Now you read the table of 8 and we have to get 9. So read the table of 8 and you have to get 9 or just number less than 9. So here you will not getting 9. No. Here after 8 we are getting 8. 8 to the 16. So we cannot apply 16 because 16 is more than 9. So we will apply 8 1 the 8, that is just smaller than 9. Okay. You have to apply here a number just smaller than this 9. If you are not getting 9, so a number just smaller than this 9. So you apply here 8 1 the 8. So you write here 8 1 time 8. Okay. See, 8 1 the 8. Now you do your subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now what will you do? Yes, you will copy this digit. No, 9 you will copy here. So you will mark here arrow sign and then we will copy here 9. Now children, you have to divide this 19 by this 8. So you have to read the table of 8 and you have to get 19. If you don't get 19, so you have to get a number just less than 19. Okay, the nearest number to the 19 and less than 19. So read the table of 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are, yes, 24. 24 you cannot apply because it is more than 19. No. So you will apply 8 2s are 16 because 16 is nearest to this 19. Clear? So you apply 8 2s are right here 16. 8 2s are 16. Now you do subtraction. You are getting here 3. And now here no more digits. No. So our division stops. So this 12 is known as what? Tell me. Quotient. This 3 is known as remainder. So you just mention it. Quotient and remainder. Now it's time for checking. You have to check your division whether it is correct or not. Okay. So let's write the formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now you tell me which is the divisor and which is the quotient. So here divisor is 8. Quotient is 12. You multiply this 8 and 12. Okay. And then you have to add this 3. So multiply 8 and 12 and add this 3. So 12 8s are. 12 8s are you multiply what you are getting. 8 2s are 16. 6. Carry 1. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. 96. And now you will do this add 3 no plus 3. Do here plus 3. So 6 plus 3 9 and this 9 is 9. So we are getting the number 99. Is it the same to dividend? Okay. Look at here, our dividend was 99. No. So here this is also 99. We are getting the same number now as dividend. So it is checked and our division is correct. I hope you understood the process of checking. I have already told that you will divide your copy in 2 parts. Draw here one line in between and this checking you do here and division you do here. Okay. Now children, moving to the next question. Question number 2. See. Again you have to divide and check your answer. I have taken a question 97 divided by 4. Write here symbol. Now draw here a symbol and write the and divisor. 97 here and 4 outside. Now again you have to read the table 4 and you have to divide this 9. So in the table of 4 you have to get 9. If you don't get 9 then you will just get a number just nearest to this 9. Lesser than 9 and nearest to this 9. So 4 table I have written here, you see. Now you read the table of 4 and you have to get 9 or just less than 9. No. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. You can see 9 is coming between these two numbers. No. So we cannot apply here 12 because 12 is more than 9. So we will apply 8. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. You cannot apply the more greater number. You have to apply nearest number which is lesser than that number. So you will apply 4 2s are 8. So you write here 4 2s are 8. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. And now you will copy this digit 7. So you mark here an arrow sign. Copy this 7. Now 4 table you have to divide 17. So again you read the table of 4 and you have to get here 17. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 70 comes here. No, 17 comes here. Now tell me, will you apply this 20 or you will apply this 16? Yes, you will apply this 16 because 16 is just lesser than 17. No, so 4 4s are 16. So you will apply 4 4s are and then you write here 16. Clear? Now you subtract here. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now no more digits here. So our division stops. Okay. Now you mark your quotient and mark your remainder. So 24 is the quotient. This one is the remainder. Now it's checking time, children. Yes, you write here the formula that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Which is the divisor? This 4 and the quotient is 24. 4 into 24 plus remainder, which is the remainder 1. So you write here 1. Now you multiply this 24 and 4. Yes, you multiply, you are getting here 96. And this one you add, so you are getting here 97. And 97 is the dividend. No, look at here, 97 is the dividend. So you are getting the same number as dividend. No, means our division is correct. Okay. So you write here checked. Now children, we are moving to next exercise 6.2. Again you have to divide the following. No checking is there. We will not do the checking. Only you will do the division. Okay. Let's start with the question number A. Here you have to divide 578 by 2. You will divide in the same manner. You would write the numbers using the symbols. Now you read the table of 2. I have written here, you may see. Now children, you have to divide this 5 by this 2. Okay. So you read the table of 2 and you have to get 5 or just less than 5. So you read 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. So you have to get this 5. No. 5 comes between these two numbers 4 and 6. So now you tell me which number you will apply. 2 twos are 4 or 2 threes are 6. So you will apply this 2 twos are 4. Because 4 is just less than 5, no? So you apply here 2 twos are 4. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. Now again you will copy this 7 and here you will get 17. Now 2 table, you have to get 17. You read the table of 2 again. Yes. And you will get 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Now 16 and 18. Which one you will apply? 16 or 18? Yes, you will apply here 16. 2 8s are 16. Because 16 is just lesser than 17. So you write here 2 8s are and write here 16. Now you subtract here 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now again you will copy this 8 here. Okay, because 8 you will write here. So you will mark a long arrow sign till here and then you will copy here 8. So our number is 18. Now 2 table you have to read and you have to get 18. Now read the table of 2 and do you get 18 there? Yes, 2 9s are 18. No, 2 9s are 18. Now you subtract 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. So your dividend is 578. Your quotient is 289 and remainder is 0. Because no more digits are there. So our division stops. Now you just write the quotient remainder. Okay. No checking is there. So you will not do the checking. I hope you understood. Now moving to the next question, children. Question number 2. Divide and check your answer. In this question you have to divide also and you have to check also. Our question is 327 divided by 4. I have written here inside this sign. Now 4 table you have to divide this 3. Okay. But 3 is less than 4 now. You have to read the table of 4 and you have to divide this 3. So 3 is lesser than 4. So in this case you will take this both the digits 32. Because 3 is smaller than 4. So what will we do? We will take these two digits 32. So you will divide the distance digit 32. To 4 table 32. You read the table of 4 and do you get here 32? Yes, 4 8s are 32. So you write here 4 8s are 32. And 8 you write at the here tens place. Because we have taken here these two digits, no? So you will not write 8 here. You write 8 at the tens place. Now you subtract 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. Now copy this 7 here. Now in the table of 4, you have to divide this 7. So do you get 7? Look at here. Do you get 7? No, no. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 7 comes between these two numbers 4 and 8. Now what will you apply? 4 1s are 4 or 4 2s are 8. Which one will you apply? We will apply 4 1s are 4. Because you have to take a lesser number, no, smaller number. So you will apply 4 1s are 4. So write 4 1s are 4. And now you subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. Now no more digits are there. Clear? So our division stops. So you have to mention here quotient and mention here remainder. Quotient is 81. Remainder is 3. Okay, I have written here. Now it's time for checking, children. Write the formula here. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So which is the divisor? This 4 multiplied by 81. So 4 into 81 and then you add this remainder 3. So plus 3. Clear? Now 4 into 81 plus 3. You do here multiplication. 81 multiplied by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 32. Now this 3 you add. So you are getting 327. 327. You are getting the same dividend, no? Look at here. You are getting the same dividend, 327. So our division is correct. You write here checked and your division is correct. I hope you are getting, children. So you have to divide also, and if it is written to check, then you have to do the checking also. Okay. Now children, it's your home assignment time. Children, you will do exercise 6.1. Question number 1, F number. Question number 2, F number. And exercise 6.2, question number 1, B number, and question number 2, I number. And which questions we have discussed today, that also you will note down in your note copy. And these questions you will try to solve by your own. I will send your homework solution along with the attachment. You will check your divisions and do their needful corrections. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.